Alright, so this question is asking us to find the equation of the line passing through the point A that is perpendicular to the line given, the line L. Well, when we see a question like this, we should automatically think of the standard equation for any straight line. So y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line, so how steep it is, and c is the intercept point where the line crosses the y-axis when x is 0. So we need to find the gradient and we need to find the intercept point. Well, this word perpendicular is telling us that the two lines, so if we think of this, what's happening, the line we're looking for is roughly going perpendicular to the line L. Well, that means at 90 degrees. Well, the rule tells us that when we've got two lines crossing that are perpendicular, then the two gradients must multiply to give us an answer of -1. So we're looking for two gradients. Well, the first gradient was given to us by telling us that L had a gradient of 2. That's the number in front of the x. So we know that 2 times something, the gradient of the perpendicular line, must equal -1. Well, this is a simple rearranging, and we move the 2 to the other side to find out our missing gradient. 2 times opposite timesing is dividing, so we know that our new gradient for the perpendicular line is going to be -1 divided by 2, which we write as -1/2. We leave it as this. We don't need to change it because fractions are just as valid as decimals. So we now know that the gradient of our new line is -1/2. So we know that we've got y equals -1/2 x plus some number called the intercept point. Well, the intercept is defined as the point the line crosses the y-axis when x is 0. Well, in this question they actually gave it to us. They actually told us that the line crosses at the point 8. So this intercept point is +8. So our final answer is going to be y equals -1/2 x plus 8.